Hello YouTube. I just posted my first Android video game to the Android market. It took me about a month to build. It was some late nights. I had to wait till I put the kids to sleep, and after I put the kids to sleep, I spent a couple hours every night. I was able to finish so quickly because I used the replica island codebase as a starter. If you guys don't know about this, it's a free open source project made by the guys at Google. It was great. It gave me a good foundation to start on for object pooling and using the OpenGL to produce, 2D graphic displays. I named the app Prototype, so you just search for Prototype on the Android market and you'll find it. Please check it out. Give me 5 stars. That would be helpful, even if you have some trouble. I named it Prototype because I only have one phone. I just have the Droid, but Android's on a lot of phones, and I need help from other users to test it. So it's a prototype. Once I finish it, I will probably rename it and repackage it with some newer images for the final release. So let me show you the game. I have a cheap camera, so if it doesn't focus well, forgive me. Alright, so there's my Droid. I was so happy when I got the Droid. I'm not an iPhone guy. Alright, so that's the starting page for my game. You click Start. And then here, I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but I have 2 options here. You can control the paddle by touching the paddle and moving it, or you can control it by tilting it. I'm going to do tilt, and they have 2 bars here that define the sensitivity of how sensitive the phone will adapt to you tilting it to move the paddle. So it's your typical breakout game. You can see I'm tilting it and the paddle is moving. You press anywhere to drop a ball, so there goes the ball. See, it has like a huge trail, and when it hits things it blows up. And you try not to let it hit the floor. If it hits the floor, it blows up and dies. Another feature that I like is, as the ball is going, you can touch the screen and you'll get these little waves. These waves will actually push the ball in a different direction, so it's really helpful when you only have a couple blocks left. Alright, now since this is a prototype and I want to see the different levels, I don't always want to beat them all, so the menu option is to change levels, and you can see all the levels that's there. I think there's like 8 levels right now. They're all different. Some have moving blocks, some do not have moving blocks. You can see when you download it, you'll be able to see some of the blocks can take multiple hits, or some of the blocks can only take 1 hit. Your life's up here. This is your energy. I'm going to use that for a lot of things in the future, like when you get power-ups and stuff. Right now it's just used for when you use your little explosions, and when it runs out you can't do any more explosions. Oh, I guess that's it. So that's the game over screen, and then you can restart. So I hope you download it. Let me know what you think. Be kind. This is my first Android game. And comment features you want to see. Like, I'm definitely going to add lasers and power bombs and all that kind of stuff. But if there's any additional things you can think of, I would love to know. Thanks.